In this video, we explore the famous food market and the old town of Cagliari of Sardinia in Italy. Cagliari is the capital of Sardinia, which is an island famous for its longevity blue zones, where people live to 100 and longer. We spent almost a month traveling in Sardinia and we'll have many more videos. Our first stop is the San Benedict food market, or Mercato di Benedetto. It is the largest indoor food market of Italy, in operation since 1957, with over 86,000 square feet. It is also one of the largest food markets in Europe. There were many floors to explore, with a huge variety of local foods, lots of fresh fruit and vegetable, seafood and meats. We felt like we were the only tourists there. We can tell locals love and frequent this market a lot. Here a vendor sells a local delicacy called Bottarga. It is a salted cured fish raw pouch, typically from grey Malay or bluefin tuna. It is pressed, dried and sometimes sealed in beeswax. Bottarga is often called Mediterranean caviar or poor man's caviar. We tried it while in Sardinia and it has an intense savory and briny umami flavor. It pairs exceptionally well with pasta, flatbread and salads. Besides raw ingredients, the market has many ready-to-eat food items like pies, sweet treats, sandwiches and more.
So we were just in the market. It was actually really big, right inside. It looks small from the outside. It's pretty big, and there's something outside too, like some booths. But around 1:30, it's already pretty much it. It's pretty much gone. Everyone's packing up.
Yeah, it's so they close at 3, but it's pretty much over around 1:30.
And we were filming inside. Everyone was really friendly. No one was really approaching us or anything. A few people, but it's all good, very friendly. Yeah, a very nice market. Everything's practically here.
And from outside it doesn't look very big, but
yeah.
If you consider that there are like 3 floors here?
Or two, I think 2, but...
No, 3, like
3?
Downstairs and then middle.
Oh, maybe.
No, 2 actually.
But
2.
It is pretty big.
Yeah, it was pretty big.
It looks small, but it's very big. It's the biggest one in Italy, the biggest closed market. It's very nice. I really liked it. And there are some baked goods as well, some cooked foods.
They also sold lots of horse meat, like the entire stands, just horse meat,
yeah,
liver.
Horse liver.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
After exploring Mercato di Benedetto, we strolled through quiet and quaint residential areas of Cagliari in Sardinia. We were on our way to the famous Constitution Square, or Piazza Costituzione, where Saint Remy Bastion is located. No cars allowed here, I think. However, there are cars over there.
Beautiful buildings. This is a famous street. I think it's like in the Villanova area. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure though. Oh.
Lots of flowers.
Yeah. Very narrow. Oh, very beautiful. God. What do you think?
Yeah, you can feel it's like a traditional Italian lifestyle kind of living.
I don't know. It's a very pleasant town to me, even though there's it's a little bit like old and graffiti and everything. It's still very pleasant. For some reason.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Better than Montenegro. In that downtown area.
Don't compare that.
Even though it feels similar, it's very different.
No, this is the real deal.
Yeah. Even Sardinia, a little bit run down, it's still really nice. Has its own charm.
Better run down and charming than brand spec new and
No, that's awesome.
not enjoyable.
Just a random street, there's no stores or anything. That's very nice.
Yeah, they have terraces upstairs. These buildings, they look very old, probably like at least 100 years. Very colorful as well. Via San Giacomo, that's the name of the street.
Oh, look at the tower. It's amazing.
Yeah, so we were just talking how this part of the town, Cagliari, reminds us of Chiusi a little bit. Some parts of it, obviously not all of it. It's very similar. In Chiusi, yeah, and the church.
Amazing.
Very nice. Yeah, this whole area is like how you would imagine Italy would be, I guess, with small houses and laundry, drying, hanging on racks.
This must be a very old church. I wonder how old it is. It's Chiesa di San Giacomo. Maybe it'll say up there how much, how many years it has. Let's see. There's a nice square there with the restaurant. Like I said, it reminds me a lot of what was it? Budva, the old town.
The old town.
But it was very like fake, feeling like really fake there. But here it has authentic atmosphere. But don't you think it has a similar feel?
Yeah, but this is the real deal.
Look at that mural. It's amazing. See the mural? Oh.
The Bastion of Saint Remy, or Bastione Saint Remy, is the prominent landmark in Cagliari, Sardinia. Built about 120 years ago, the Bastion sits atop the city's ancient Spanish medieval walls. It has a beautiful sprawling neoclassical terrace and a scenic promenade.
Looks huge in real life. Like, I think on pictures it looks a little small compared to here. It's gigantic, very beautiful. It's like a little bit like Rome, right? Like I forgot what not the Spanish Steps. Something there. Looks pretty nice.
There should be like a fountain here, maybe.
It's a very beautiful alley. Restaurants here. Very nice. It's beautiful. I love those flowers in the roundabout. Touristy area, but not that bad. Today is a Saturday. It's not that many people. Wow, it's huge. That's the view from the middle part. I guess this is the most scenic part of the town. But I like the smaller, less known places too. Oh yeah, we just bought some water, and it's pretty expensive here. In the touristy area, it was like $1.50 for
3 times.
more than 3 times as expensive as the stores outside of here. It's definitely a rip-off, but what can you do about it? So we're at the top. It's amazing. You can see everything from here. It's a nice, warm, but chilly day. It's very nice. So here's the top part. The view up top of here is just incredible. This arch, the way it mirrors the area, it's amazing. Completely wonderful. Very windy up here though. So it looks like the city continues here. There are these streets that go up here, back to our house. It looks very beautiful. All marble, I guess. Is this marble? Maybe.
Maybe that.
Yeah, it looks very bright. Very nice. Some couples kissing over there.
This is the Cagliari Cathedral. It is a Roman Catholic church dedicated to the Virgin Mary and to Saint Cecilia. This is a very old cathedral built in the 13th century. It also serves as the seat of the Archbishop of Cagliari.
Very beautiful inside too. And the street goes to the bottom. There's the tower. Famous tower over there, and a villa, I think. We're gonna see a lot of steps here. I think this is the elephant tower.
It looks like it. People are going up.
Yeah. So, do you get this good view or something?
So I guess, yeah, you can go up and get a view. I think that's the wall of it.
Also a nice narrow street. I really like these streets here.
So we're going from the Elephant Tower to where? Amphitheater?
Yeah, the old Roman amphitheater.
And that's all for this video. We will have lots of travel content on Sardinia, its blue zone status, and our thoughts on longevity of Sardinians. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos from us. Thanks for watching.